Hey my friends, welcome to Joey's Tech. In this video, I will show you how to find all Python versions installed on your Mac. And you will also learn in this video how to switch between these versions using just the terminal. We'll even take a quick peek inside Finder to see exactly where these Python versions live. And we are going to do all this using terminal commands. So no PyEnv or virtual environments are involved here. First, all you have to do is to open Spotlight Search by pressing Command Space. And in the Spotlight Search, you are going to type terminal. So we are opening the terminal here. There you go. Terminal is open. Here you are going to write your first command, which will be Python ---- version. Now on newer Macs, this may give an error or point to an older version or even Python 2 if it's still there. So my Mac is on the newer side. So this command is going to give me an error. There you go. It says command not found. So how should we check the version of Python? The command is simple. It's Python 3 ---- version. This is usually the default version that Apple includes. Often Python 3.8 or 3.9 depending on your Mac OS version. But if you have a newer Python version installed manually, then that will appear here. Let me hit enter now, and there you go. Few days ago, I manually installed Python 3.13.0, and that is why it is appearing over here. Now, how to check which all versions of Python are present on your Mac? To do that, you are going to write this command, which Python 3. This is going to tell you the exact path of the version being run. For me, it is going to return this path. To check all the versions installed on your machine, all you have to do is write ls-l and then you are going to select the path till here, till versions, copy it and paste it over here and you hit enter. There you go. You can see I have all the versions right from 3.9 to 3.13 or 3.13 installed on my Mac. You can see the current Python version on my Mac is 3.30. Now there are few common locations which you should also check to find the Python versions installed on your Mac. So you are going to do ls-l and the path or one of the common locations that you should check will be user local bin. And then you are going to write Python star. Using this command in this directory, you are going to check for all the files or directories that have Python in the beginning. So if I hit enter now, I get all the files, directories, symlinks that are starting with the string Python. Let me make it bigger for you for better visualization. There you go. Okay. If you notice, these are symlinks, which are pointing to the same directory location which we got as a result of running the command which Python. Now, one more location where you must check for Python versions is the pin directory within the homebrew folder. And you are going to get Python versions over there if you installed Python ever using homebrew. So the command will be, let me make this window smaller for better visualization. Okay. So the command is going to be ls-l /opt/homebrew /pin/python star. This is going to be the command to find Python versions within the homebrew directory. Let's hit enter. There you go. I don't have any Python versions installed using homebrew. That's why I'm getting this output. It says no matches found. But if you ever installed a Python using homebrew, you are going to find Python versions inside this directory. Now, do you want to see the Python versions installed on your Mac in Finder? If yes, then continue watching this video. So all you have to do is write the command which Python 3 to find out the directory where all your Python versions are installed. Now you are going to again select the path up to here till versions, copy it. And I'm going to tell you a command using which you will be able to open this path in Finder window like a pro. So the command is going to be open space and you are going to paste the path over here. Now if you hit enter, There you go. The Finder window is right in front of you, in which you have directly landed on this path. You can now visit any of the versions you want within the Finder window. Now, what to do if you want to run specific versions of Python? To run a specific version, just type the full command. Like, if you want to run Python 3.9, then you are going to write Python 3.9. Like, you check its version, it's going to tell you that you are using Python 3.9.7. All right, let's type another version, Python 3.11 hyphen version, and there you go, point proved. This is the cleanest way to switch between versions for quick scripts or testing. Let's say you have to run a Python script using Python 3.9. So all you will do is write Python 3.9, the path where your script lives, and the name of the script, obviously. Let's say the name of the script is hello.py. So you'll write hello.py, and when you are going to hit enter, you will see the output generated by the Python script. Now, if you want to temporarily change your default Python for this terminal session, all you have to do is write alias Python 3 and equals to, and then within double quotes, you are going to write the Python version that you want to switch to. Let's say I write 3.11. You are going to hit enter. Now, if you check the version of Python by typing Python 3 hyphen hyphen version, you will find Python 3.11.5. So Python 3 is now going to run Python 3.11.5. But note, this change only lasts until you close this terminal. If you want to undo this change, then all you have to do is write unalias Python 3. If you do this and check the version again, there you go. It's back to the current version. So that's how you find and switch between multiple Python versions on your Mac using just the terminal. No external tools needed. I want you to drop your Python version in the comments, and if you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with your Python buddies. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.